Hello everybody, Harry here for another video, and today we are playing more Five Nights at Freddy's 2. Last time we were killed by Foxy. No wait, the puppets, which was our first kill in the game. I did try and record this earlier, but I rage quitted. So anyway, let's do this. So far this is a pretty good game. I have to say, it's a lot better than the last one, considering there's 10 animatronics. Alright, night 2, we can do this. Oh, by the way, pretty sure this is the guy on the phone is Scott Carthen.
See, I told you your first night wouldn't be a
I'm just
problem.
guessing, yeah.
You're a natural.
Am I?
By now, I'm sure you've noticed the older models sitting in the back room. Those are
Part
from the
service,
previous
yeah.
location, and we just
Game
use them for
area.
parts now. The idea at first was to
Kids
repair
Cove,
them.
Prize Corner.
They even started retrofitting them.
I
with
never
newer
bothered reading any of
technology,
these.
But they were just so
First page.
ugly, you know? And the smell.
Right over.
So the company decided to just go in a whole new direction and make them super kid friendly. Those older ones shouldn't be able to walk around, but if they do, the whole Freddy head trick should work on them too. So whatever.
Oh, that's good.
I loved those old characters. Did you ever see Foxy the Pirate? Oh wait, Foxy. Oh yeah, Foxy. Hey, listen.
I'm not
that one
letting this
was
go.
always a
This
bit
guy does
twitchy.
move, and he turns off your
I'm not
flashlight.
sure
So
if the Freddy
annoying.
head trick will work on Foxy. If for some reason
As soon as you hear him laughing,
during the
he's
night,
coming for you.
and you see him standing at the far end of the hall,
Wrong one.
flash your light at him from time to time. Those older models would always get disoriented with bright lights.
Okay,
It was
so
called a system restart or something. Come to think of it, you might want to try that on any room where something undesirable might be. It might hold them in place for a few seconds. That glitch might have carried over to the newer models too. One more thing.
Oh, hey,
Forget
Freddy.
the music box.
Foxy,
I'll
whatever
be
the
honest,
frick you are.
I never liked that puppet thing. It's always thinking.
Shit!
And it can go anywhere. I don't
On the
think the
move.
Freddy mask will fool it. So just don't forget the music box. Anyway, I'm sure it won't be a problem. Have a good night, and I'll talk to you tomorrow.
He's on the move. That little kid's on the move. Foxy's staying in place. Right. Not letting that little kid in there. No, Foxy's gone. Oh shit.
Hello.
Oh shit. Get away. Okay, there he is. Frick Foxy. Hard. Okay, he's gone. Thank God for that. They're both gone, thank God.
Hello.
Not again! Oh shit, it's Chica. Okay, Chica's gone. Alright, we can do this. Chica's still there. Funny. Nope, Chica's still there. Not helpful, Chica. Piss off. Oh, I'm screwed. Okay, she's gone. Oh shit! Oh no, the puppet's coming. Just tell. turning my volume down a bit. That hurts. Damn it, that puppet. I'm genuinely terrified by that. This is scarier than the last game. Oh. This is hard. This is difficult. I can make it. I can make it. I can make it. I can make it. Do 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 do. I can make it. Alright, phone call's not gonna cancel. Hate that guy. Hate all these animatronics.
Hello?
Hi. He's still there. Okay, that's there. Alright, I'm not gonna die this time. Fox is still home. Turn. These guys are all there. Not too sure about Foxy. They're still there. Balloon Boy's still home. These guys are. These guys never came. Yes, anyway. Seen some freaky images of them. Learn a lot of stuff. You're still there. I'm pretty sure he's gonna make a run pretty anytime soon. Anytime he feels like it. How can I do this with just a camera? Always good to check. Oh, of course he's gone. He's gonna go straight for the bloody vent. Where is he? Look at this bastard go. Where could he go? Oh, you're still here. Alright, so Balloon Boy, I think, just disappears. Oh shit. Okay, that's Balloon Boy. Don't really need to do that unless he's really close, so I'm good. I can do this, I can do this. I'm not gonna die today. Okay, they're both gone. Fudge. Okay, really all I need to do is keep my camera on this place. That way Foxy won't move. Doesn't really matter if he moves or not though. I need to check something. Oh fucking hell, Bunny! Shit, someone's out there. Bonnie's in the vents. So obvious. Okay, they're both there. Shit. Okay, jeez. Go away, Chica. No one likes you. Okay, Bonnie's here. That was close. Could have died. Shit. God, the kid! Crazy freaky kid. Rah, Freddy! Freddy Fazbear. Are you still there? Okay. Shit. Kid. But 3 AM. Oh my god! Alright, I've definitely got to keep my mask on. Okay, it's just Foxy now. Only Foxy can jump on me. And the puppet. Okay. Frick! That's not good. Okay, he's gone. Shit. Okay, kids there. No one else. Okay, he's gone. Think up there. Never mind. I think I can hear him again. Oh shit, someone's out there. Who is it? Oh, it's Chica this time. Ain't that great. Well, I'm gonna see Chica come across. Oh no, it's Bonnie. What? Shit. Thank God for that. Oh shit, Chica! Just wait a bit, wait it out. Oops, I can't use that yet. Okay, Foxy. Oh! I can do this! Shit. Foxy's gone. That's usually good, I guess. Oh god, it's pretty. It's time.
Hello.
Freddy effing Fazbear. Freddy's home. Of course I can't use the lights here. Come on. Okay, it's coming. Oh! Ready? Still there? I'm doing good. Yes! Yes! Oh. I only died a couple. What? Huh? Oh, Bonnie! What the? Fridge? Fridge cakes? What's happening? Chica, Bonnie, why are you looking at me like that? I'm Freddy! Freddy Fazbear! Oh, I guess we're all friends, looking at each other. It's me. It's just up in the corner going, it's me! Okay, so he's added like a little story to it. That's cool! That's awesome. Like a little storyline for you to find out after you completed a couple nights. I wonder why the last one did close down. Oh, maybe that's what we'll find out. No one here, no one here, no one here. Still home. Oh, this going. I bet this goes down quicker.
Hello?
Hello, sir.
Yeah, I told you wouldn't have any problems. Did
I had a couple of
Foxy ever repair the hallway? Probably not. I was just curious. Like I said, he was always my favorite. They tried to remake Foxy, you know?
Oh my God!
Scary. So they redesigned him to be more kid-friendly and put him in Kids Cove to keep the toddlers entertained, you know. But kids these days just can't keep their hands to themselves. The staff literally had to put Foxy back together at the end of every shift. Eventually they just stopped trying and left him as some kind of take apart, put back together attraction. Now he's just a mess of parts. I think the employees refer to him as just the mangle. Oh hey, before I go, I wanted to ease your mind about any rumors you might have heard lately. You know how these local stories come and go and seldom mean anything. I can personally assure you that whatever is going on out there, however tragic it may be, has nothing to do with our establishment. It's just all rumor and speculation.
Really? You say this as Bonnie stands outside my door.
Our guard during the day has reported nothing unusual, and he's on watch from opening till close. Okay, well
Ooh,
anyway,
becoming a
hang
really
in
big
there and
story
I'll
now.
talk with you tomorrow.
Okay, that's that. Fridge. Fridge cakes. Fridge cakes all around. Ain't no... Okay, the kid's coming. Shit, I'm gonna do this. Bonnie. Shit, no, no. No, don't do that. Don't do that. Calm down, calm down. Oh shit, I'm dead. It's kind of obvious. Wow! That was not fair! I wound up the music box and everything! Oh, he must have gotten bored. I might have to grind it up fully. Probably it. Damn. Anyway guys, if you enjoyed this episode of Five Nights at Freddy's, it's getting really good. It's got like a whole little story going on the outside of the world. It's just getting so good. This game is a lot better because it's got more of like a storyline going all the way through. Because last one was just sit, point and click, just complete the job. This one has like a storyline to it that you want to find out by completing the game. Anyway guys, if you enjoyed this video and want to see more content, videos from the Loathing Plane channel, please leave a like, leave a comment, subscribe, come all over today. I'll see you guys next time. Bye!